Today I'm going to show you guys how to use WAN 2.5, this insane AI video generator for your music videos. Don't worry, this tool does have a free version so you don't have to pay. Before we get into the video, if you guys are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes family. Go ahead guys and smash that like button. With that being said, let's hop straight into the video. Alright guys, we're on the WAN 2.5 website. I'm going to link this down in the description below. For us to get started, we're going to go into the generate page. If you guys are new to this page right here will be empty, but as you can see, I already generated some clips. I have a clip of Juice WRLD and Gunna right here as anime characters. What you want to do is you want to go down here, and in this video generator we can mess with video, image, and avatar. And for the example that I'm going to show you guys today, we're going to be working with an avatar. We could do speech to video, character swap, and photo animate. For this tutorial specifically, we're going to be working with character swap, and what that means is we're going to take the original footage and then we're going to swap them for an anime character like I did up top here with Juice WRLD and Gunna. Now it says to add a target video, upload a front facing video with a clearly visible face. So we're going to add the original clip of the footage. So I'm going to go ahead and press add video, upload from device. This is the original footage that I had. So you want to go ahead and press confirm. Once it adds it in, you're going to add the character image, so you have to upload a picture of the character you want to swap into. So for this part guys, we're going to hop into ChatGPT. You could also use the free version to do this as well. Now we're in ChatGPT. I took a screenshot of the frame that I wanted to work with, and then I said animate this person a Naruto style anime, and this is what chat gave me. We're gonna go back into WAN 2.5. We're gonna go ahead and upload that picture. Once that's uploaded, we're gonna press right here, go ahead and press confirm. Once that's done, it's gonna put it in the queue. Since we're using the free version of this website guys, it does take a while to render out the video. They do have monthly plans, and all that does is help render out the footage way faster. But once that's rendered out guys, we're gonna go ahead and hop into DaVinci. Now I created this insane transition. What I did was I put the original footage from the Juice WRLD music video, and then I put the AI footage that we generated, and then all I did was I added the smooth cut transition in between, and it came out like this. Super fire. And I did the same for the Gunna music video. I had the original footage mixed with the AI footage back to the original, and I added the smooth cut transition, and it came out like this. Super fire guys, super clean. That was the end of this quick tutorial guys. If you learned something, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes family. Also guys, if you got this far in the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. All it does is help my channel grow guys, and it keeps me motivated to keep dropping these bang tutorials for you. That being said, I'll catch you on next week's tutorial. Peace.